Hey guys, BadBoy5832 here. I'm back. I guess it'll be however many parts it takes me to get this to work. Come on, Kakashi, stop being difficult. Kakashi is being so difficult right now. It's like, stop being difficult, Kakashi. Lightning Blade! There you go, guys. The Lightning Blade. I finally got Kakashi to use it. Alright, guys, the mission is complete. Ninjas from outside the Hidden Leaf appeared in front of Naruto and the others and told them about the Chunin exams. Ninjas from other nations came to Hidden Leaf in order to take this exam. With such a large number of people, squabbles were unavoidable. Amongst this, Naruto and the others went to hand in their applications. Woo! Alright guys, we finally beat it. I didn't get anything else. Okay. I'm sorry that it took this long for us to beat the level. I really am. See? Okay. Mission complete. Alright, I'm sending a friend request to this guy because it's Kakashi's boss. And yeah, guys, that'll be it. That boy signing out. See you later. Bye.